Delighted to be here at AI to Future. I'm here representing National Physical Laboratory. I'm really interested in how we gain international consensus on trustworthy AI, because I think that's the only way we'll see wide-scale adoption and wide-scale people reaping the benefits of what AI can give us.
The key issue we're trying to solve in my organization is how do we make consumers trust AI? This is the topic I care deeply about and that I'm participating in this conference to try to untangle that bit a little bit more.
Very important to have a common understanding on AI Act, AI regulation and standardization, because without this, we cannot do that. So this was a great opportunity to have a common understanding and see weaknesses and or strongness.
And I'm here to talk about how we can design effective AI governance mechanisms which can enable innovation. So I'm going to be talking about effective strategies for developing regulation, how we can build capacity for regulation, and also focus in on an initiative in the UK called the AI Standards Hub, where we're doing capacity building around the role of standards in governing AI.
I think one of the key aspects is ultimately that we align around what we as humans, as a society, get from AI, and that really means that we build the right governance processes, especially around evaluations, that are representative of us humans ultimately, our things, our goals, and get closer to that and build systems that ultimately optimize around that, but currently we're far away from that.
We at Impact AI see testing and evaluation as critical to develop global AI standards so that we can build AI products that people trust at scale.
Well, I think that all of us, especially from other countries, have their own communities and their own ecosystems back at home, and just sharing the knowledge we can take back to our own communities to share the knowledge about regulation and standards, and also make connections that we can then introduce to our own homeland sectors.
Yes, I think this meeting was very important. I am a machine learning researcher at NASK, National Research Institute, and we are developing Polish large language models. So in this meeting, I had the opportunity to meet people from Hungary, from Croatia, to see their experiences on developing those models, which I think is very valuable. And the other thing which was important for me is that I also work a lot on AI safety evaluations, so making sure how that AI models are actually safe.